What's up, YouTube? I'm back. It's been a little over 30 days since I posted an actual video of what we've been doing. So I wanted to get out there today, show you what we've been up to. Stay tuned. So as you can see, we got the Excursion all painted up with the two-tone. Got the purple on the bottom, which is actually a Chrysler color, crazy purple. And then the top is just a regular black Raptor. We've upgraded the original dog ear mirrors to the newer tow mirrors here. Added the fender flares from an F-250. We are still working on the back ones here. We got the pieces inside. We're gonna custom fit these and we're gonna finish it off so it's got a nice smooth edge so it looks factory, and then put the other piece right on top of the door so it's all fitted. And then of course, as you can see, we are now starting our rooftop tent. So as most of you guys know, the rooftop tents cost anywhere between $1,200 to $4,000 depending on what you're looking for. The more I kept looking at it and the more I kept seeing it, I'm not sure if this is going to be a good fit for us or not, so I didn't want to go spend that kind of money on that yet. So we're going to make our own. I've been doing a lot of research on the do-it-yourself forms for rooftop tents, and we've got some MDF boards, some plywood, and then we got some brackets that we ordered from Desert Rat. These brackets are really good. We'll get a little close up here in a second. I just kind of want to explain a little bit. And then we also got the Wakeman pop-up tent. This is one of those tents that just folds in all together, and then you can just let it go and it just pops right out. Self-setup, very simple. I think I've got maybe probably about $120 worth of supplies into this with the tent, the wood, the brackets. I already had the MDF board. We're just going to use that to kind of keep the cost down on the project here. Once we get this all fitted, we are going to epoxy all of it, seal it up, and then repaint it all black so it looks nice. And then we're going to fit that tent to this base with these brackets. So this is the kit I bought. This is from Desert Rat, and I'll leave a link down below in the description. This kit was about 20 bucks plus shipping. Not a very bad price for it. Came with a couple extra adapters. I'm not going to use these. I'll be taking these off, and then I'll be just putting regular bolts in these for right now. But I will be saving these, because if we do start getting hardcore into this, I want to do a custom rooftop tent instead of using this one here where it's got the bars already inside of it. We're going to build our own, a little bit bigger. That's kind of why I went a little bit bigger on this platform here, so we can reuse this in the event this does pan out to be something that we really enjoy and want to continue to pursue. So okay, so we got these all ready, and I put this on backwards. Oh, crap. Let's change that real quick. So what I'm doing is, the reason I'm keeping these on here is because these actually function as the pivoting point for these hinges. And because I don't want to modify them just because they are already set up for what we're looking for, I'm just going to use these center ones for right now, point them down, and then we'll just keep them on there. Voila. So that one's going to go over there. This one's going to go over here. Let's get them mounted. So for this, I don't know how we're going to work out, so we're going to play with a couple different ways. We're going to try first off just regular wood screws like some of the other people have tried. See how well it holds up. I don't think these wood screws are going to hold up as well as I want them to. So I think what I'm going to eventually do is actually drill out the holes into the wood, put a little bit longer bolt into it with the plate on the top here to help secure it so it kind of pinches between the two and keeps them in place. some of my camper gear off here, get some of this stuff moved, and we will give it a shot. So this piece here, the plywood, is actually going to be the piece that hangs out from the side of the truck. And this will be the base that holds the tent and everything on the truck when we build it all up. I'm going to flip it this way. Awkward. Very awkward, isn't it? That's like, okay, so I think I see what it is. What? I took these apart. I think I put this one on the wrong side. Okay, so you guys just saw how we put this together. Pretty simple. Like I said, you probably need a better game plan than I did. Like I said, I just winged it and put it together. I did measure out these pieces and cut them, but as you saw on this side over here, I was about a ½ inch longer on this side, so that made a huge difference on making sure these hinges got level where they should be. The wood screws, I'm not digging them. I'm going to be taking those out. I want this thing to be safe. Sorry, but I don't want to be having my thing falling down, damaging the excursion, or something worse, or something bad happening with it. I don't know what, but I know something bad could happen with these weak screws. So we're going to actually drill it out, put some nice bolts in here, plate the other side of it so it kind of smushes this wood together with this here. It'll be a little bit nicer design so that we make sure that it holds up for some of the stuff that we're going to be doing. So I apologize for not getting some videos out sooner. We have been really busy with work, school, and all this remote learning for the COVID. So I am going to be starting to get some more videos out, and as you saw from the last video, that was just kind of a test run for a realtor I was helping out in town that we're now getting into. We're doing real estate photography and a couple other things. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, smash that like button down below. If you don't want to smash it, hit it. I don't know, whatever you guys are into. So but if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. I'm looking to try to get about 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. That's my goal. I don't know if it's gonna make it there, but we got now this rooftop tent DIY that we're gonna start working with, and getting the tent and everything all prepped up, so come springtime we can actually go test this thing out. Future reference, we are going to be building our own hot water tank. It is going to be a kind of a solar hot water tank. It's not actually going to have a solar panel, but I saw a DIY for building your own PVC shower holding tank for hot water so that you can take a warm shower out on the trails. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.